Hello, greetings. This is Zosh. I am coming to you from 2030. Now, if you recall, back in 1999, hip-hop artist JBtuned released a song that shook the world up. That song was titled Back That Thing Up. In 2020, Zosh took measures in his own hands and started backing that thing up, wireless camera style. In this precious white cargo, we have a digital wireless backup camera from the company Cam. Let's open said box and reveal my magic tricks. Wow, why don't you look at that? Here we have a monitor. Let's take a look at this monitor. Oh wow, oh my goodness. If you guys can take a precious look inside my white cargo box, you guys will see that we have everything needed to back that thing up wireless style. Now I will demonstrate to you how to set this bad boy up and to reverse, park, and back that thing up with an extra eye. And if you didn't know why I became rich, this is solar powered, which means we save money, which means I become rich, filthy rich. Well, quick intermission. Gotta wait for it to charge for the first time. Like when you first set up the unit, you have to let it charge for 3 to 4 hours. So when it's charged, then you can like use the solar energy thing that it's, you know, use the solarness of it. So I'd have to wait a couple hours for that bad boy to charge. But yeah, that's just, you know, in case you buy this and you're like, yo bro, I hooked it up and it didn't. You gotta read instructions. Something that I, you know, don't really do, but we'll be back very momentarily. So here we have our monitor. We're going to attach this suction cup mount to the back of this. So basically, like that. And now you want to mount it to where it doesn't obstruct your view of anything. I'm doing this install in my mom's car because her life is more precious than mine. So as you guys can see, I am vlogging through the monitor on the backup camera thing. So cool. This is how I backed that thing up in 2020, juvenile style. So I went ahead and just installed everything. Check me out. Ooh. Yeah, buddy. Now, like I said, this is solar panel, so this will always be charged up no matter what. Solar panel, baby. Now, let's check out the inside. Decking out my mom's whip one day at a time, playboy. All right, turn the car on. Boss cam. Yeah, buddy. How we looking like though? Whoa. Holla at your boy. All right, let's back the car up on in the driveway real quick. Back it on in, playboy. Yeah, man. Watch out, Doris. You know we ain't got insurance. We black. What you think, Doris?
It's nice, though. Oh my God.
You're welcome, Doris. I do what I can. Turns right on off, playboy. So if I'm not the best son in the world, then who is? You know what I'm saying? Now I got my mom securely straightened out, you vid. And as always, I'll be sure to leave a discount code down below in the description box in case you want to pick this up for you, your mom, your grandmom, your girl's mom, your boy's mom, anybody's mom, or even yourself. You know what I'm saying? Treat yourself 2020, playboy. Link down below to Cam. Thank you guys for sponsoring this video and, you know, putting some bread in my pockets. I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all. I had to aim that bad boy down a little bit. Now, if we back up, let's just see how close or far we're going away. Ooh, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Wow, perfect. Ta-da! Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is vlog style because, well, I don't have anything to add on the car. I'm waiting on my springs from Function Form to come in because I do have a problem with my coilovers. It's a little bit too bouncy, man. I don't like the bounciness, so I opted out and got some stiffer spring rates. I think I got like 12K front, 10K rear. Same thing that's on the Integra, their iBox springs that function form cells. Well, to have the fitment I have on the RSX, I did have to mess with the preload a little bit. Let me just show you guys. Let me show you how the RSX sit in Playboy, so I can give you guys further reasoning behind my bounciness. So, this is how the RSX sits. Pretty low. The front is just slammed. I didn't mess with the preload in the front, but the rear I had to mess with the preload to close the wheel gap, and it's perfect. Like, I don't rub at all. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I don't rub at all. It sits literally perfect how I like it. It's just a little bit too bouncy for my liking, especially up front. The rear is actually not that bouncy, it's the front. So I got some 12K springs and 10K springs on the way, so I can fix that. And yeah, buddy. You guys can see how the muffler melted the diffuser a little bit. Like, look at that. Oh my god. The red seat kind of goes with that green, bro. Like, I don't know what y'all talking about. It kind of looks good. I just don't like that the car is actually, you know, yellow and green. Like, that's the accent. It's yellow. But I don't know, man, that red kind of look good. But this seat is definitely going in the RSX when it's all said and done. Hopefully I can score some seats for Import Alliance that's coming up fairly soon, and I hope to see you guys out there. I will be bringing Christina to Import Alliance because you guys want to see this car, even though I love my RSX, but you guys would rather see this car. So that is what's going to happen. You guys are going to see Christina. And the reason why I have this out there, because I had to fix my throttle body. It's a little loose, you guys can see. I gotta tighten that John up, Playboy. At the bottom, right there. I gotta take off the throttle body and tighten it. Might put some red Loctite on it so I can stay securely tightened. I've been slacking a lot on the Integra. There's a track day coming up March 11th, and in order for me to enter the track day with the Integra, I would have to get a whole new brake system set up. I gotta get a new clutch master, clutch slave, maybe a brake booster or a brake master cylinder. My brakes are hella squishy, but that could be because I don't have stainless steel brake lines. I'm on factory LS brakes, AutoZone pads, eBay rotors. I gotta do a brake overhaul on this car to get it up in par, at least for stopping power. For the track, so hopefully I can do that before March 11th. If not, then, well, I don't know, man. It costs a lot of money to do that stuff, dog, and I'm trying to get the RSX good because I love the content that I'm producing on the RSX. It's just so much going on. You know what's weird? They don't sell Fuse iced tea at Walmart no more. Like, I'm not a fan of Brisk. I'm a fan of Fuse, but they don't sell it no more, dog. Like, what's going on with that, fam? What's going on with that? So it's 5:54, as you guys can see. Shirts are now live. And what I'm going to do right now is do some fulfillment. I think I got like a couple orders. I think I got like 4 orders, I think. Which is pretty cool, man, for like, you know, my second time releasing merch under my own power. Selling 4 shirts in 30 minutes. It's not ideally like successful, but to me that's hella successful because, man, on my last drop it was like, man, it took like, man, I don't know, this drop, everyone likes this shirt. So from everyone I talked to in the previous days of me posting like, oh, I got a new shirt coming, it's like, oh, can I buy it now, blah blah blah. We're gonna see if they come through, but I can't complain, man. It's awesome. It's awesome. Now I'm gonna get some orders shipped out and everything. Get some stuff going nice and neat. And I'll walk you guys through how I pretty much do everything. You guys will see a how-to, I guess, how I do my shipping, my packaging, and all that stuff. So I guess this vlog is more of an insight on how I do my orders and stuff, I guess. I don't know. Let's just, all right, let's just get it going on. So I pretty much print all my shipping stuff through PayPal. Like, I print out the shipping labels through PayPal. Then I come here to my printer, which I use this Avery sticky paper stuff, and it prints it. I don't want to show you guys the dude address, but it prints it out on this thing, and then I use these right here, these poly mailers that are waterproof, and I basically eat some Teddy Grahams. And then I just pick out the shirt that he ordered, which was a medium, and then I package it in through here like that, and then I just stick that on top of that. And then that's it. So it's 6:38 right now. I've been open for what, an hour? My new merch went live an hour ago, and I got a total of 6 sales, which is great because it's Tuesday. It's not like a Friday, and I've only been hyping up the shirt for like a week. I think about a week. But this goes to show, like, just because you can have... Oh, we got another order. Sweet. This is the most... I think, well, yeah, this is the most successful shirt launch I've ever done. Like, having, you know, a total of 7 orders in an hour, that's great. This is my second time ever doing this. It kind of weirds me out because it's like I got all these friends of the channel or friends in my life, and I would, you know, you would expect your friends, like, not my close friends. My close friends, they don't have to, I wouldn't sell anything to my close friends because, like, you know, they only got like a couple close friends, but like friends that I've met through YouTube who became like homies that, like, you know, will hang out or whatever, I would expect them to like cop the merch to show their support to me in a sense, because like it's just weird. Like, I got all these subscribers, all these follows on Instagram, and it's like, how come I can't sell out of, you know, my merch like how other people do? And then I realized that, like, it's not a race, you know what I mean? Like, a saying from the GOAT RZA, silly rabbit, the race is always won by the turtle. And what that means to me is that, like, I'm just so appreciative of the 7 people that would spend their hard-earned $30 with me. It's $25 for the shirt, $5 for shipping, so it's like $30. I profit, I don't know how much I profit. To buy the shirts I bought, it costed me like $400 and something, like $486 for 50 shirts. Cause I only ordered 50 shirts in it as a bulk order because I know that, like, I would not sell out 50 shirts like right away and people be on a demand for my shirts. I ain't supreme yet, you know. I'm working there. I'm slowly working there, but it's just. It's so cool to me that I, like, in my first hour of selling shirts, I sold 7 shirts. Like, that's great. Like, that's great to me because, like, I usually, like, when my last release, I think in the first, day, I only sold like a shirt or 2. You know what I mean? It was like, it was so, like, I was like, wow, like, where's all the support? You know what I mean? Like, it's weird. It's weird. It's weird. And I hate getting on those tangents of me talking about, like, support and stuff, because people always feel like obligated to like put in their negative. So like, oh, blah blah blah, just do this, like, you know what I mean? Like, you can never just say, hey, support your boy by buying a shirt, without people be like, oh, we shouldn't have to support, bro, you make enough money on YouTube to blah blah blah. But it's like, we don't. You know what I mean? Like, I don't make enough to where, like, I can just constantly put out shirts and shirts and shirts without, you know, having the money from the previous shirt sales to fund new stuff. Like, that's not how it works for me at all. Like, with the orders of the shirt, I'm able to do more stuff to the cars. Like, you guys want me to go boost, I can boost the car. That's, you know, that's pretty much what the merch is here for. The merch is there to be supported by you guys so I can do more stuff that you want me to do. Like, oh, Zosh, go to here, go to this event, drive to this event. And it's like, all that sounds cool and all, but like, you know, that's why I have the merch. So if you guys buy the merch, and I have money to do those things. That's why most of why us creators have t-shirts or air fresheners or stickers, because it's nice to feel appreciated by those who watch you day in and day out, countless times of you putting all your time and effort into your videos, and then, you know, the kickback of us making these videos is the support of you guys buying the merch. And that's why, you know, it's a big deal to me when it comes to support, because it's like, I look at people differently. Like, let's say, like, let me give you guys an example of like how I feel about this whole thing. So let's say I started my brand, right? And I'm good friends with you. I started my brand, but you never, like, you don't buy my stuff because we're friends, but you'll buy the next man's stuff because you're a fan of him, but you're also a fan of, you get what I'm saying? Like, does it make, I have people in my life that won't support me because we're friends. Like, not like close friends, like brothers, but like friends. I have people in my life that will not buy a shirt or a sticker, or they'll make it a big deal, like, oh, you should just give it to me or give it to me. You know what I mean? I have people like that in my life. I have strangers that will buy anything that it's just so, it's so trash. I say all of this to say I'm very thankful and appreciative of the people that do support me without me having to like make you say, bro, pick up, you know what I mean? Like, I'm trying to make Zosh MFG into a brand where like when it drops, you guys cop. You feel me? That's the goal. But for now, I'm rocking out with what I got, Playboy. Ain't no thing, ain't no thing, ain't no thing. I say all that to say thank you and I appreciate you, and I need to close my gap because I'm spitting all over you guys. I'm sorry. I also changed the Kodak of filming because I was filming in XAVC HD. Now I'm filming in AVC HD. So if the quality is like a little booty juice, I'm sorry. It's easier for me to edit this stuff. And yeah, bro. What a day. It is 12:40 a.m. and I actually sold for my first day, first 6 hours of being open of the new merch, I sold about 14, 15, 16 shirts, something like that. I don't know. I sold a lot, which is more than I could just even imagine. Like, as of now, I do imagine, like, in the first hour of me ever, like, you know, selling shirts, I'm gonna sell out. I want this year for sure. One drop I'm gonna do, people are gonna go brazy. I'm gonna drop it on like a Friday. Oh, it's gonna go brazy. But bro, I want to give a huge. Let me just, damn, my shit. Before I end this video, I want to give a shout out to my boy Gene Melendez, Dennis Franklin, Mike Zajic, Isaiah Cherry, Brian Suppley, Reyes Rodriguez, Michael Sandoval, Ashton Pinder, Jonathan Morales, Eddie Flores, Price Miller, Everton Dennis, and Thomas Nguyen. Thank you guys for just blessing your boy with the support, man. I really appreciate it. This video, I guess this video will be like support, because if you have friends in your life that, you know, has a business or brand or is doing something that requires support from others, please support your friends. Like, supporting your friends is honestly the most like, you guys have no idea how cool it is. Like, my friends will support me, you know what I mean? Like, it's the coolest thing to support your friends. It's free, whether it's a shout out or just reposting their product for them on your Instagram or Facebook or Twitter or whatever social media you use. Just support your friends, man. I believe if we all just support each other, we will all flourish. This year for sure it would be Support Your Friends 2020. I am going to do my best in supporting every video creator that I'm friends with by buying their merchandise or whatever it may be. I want to show my support to them, for them, you know, just watching my videos or just showing support, because I feel like there's not enough support being shown in the community, and I really want to help bridge that gap to where it's okay to support your friends. You know what I mean? It's not dick riding or whatever people say it is. It's being supportive of your friend or somebody you look up to. Just show your support, man. It goes a long way, and I believe that this will be the year that support means more than just a saying, it's an action. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know if it's something special, go ahead and pop that like button. And if you're new to the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. Thank you to Boss Camp for sponsoring this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.